Yeah.
I know. I'm terrible. Here. How do we do this?
Hello, baby cake.
Come here. I'm going to stand you up, I think. And then, I think that's how it works. Alright. First we sit you up. We put
One over here. And then...
Whoa, hold on a second. I think it's up. Here we go. Okay. Let's do this. Like you're a baby. Oh! Ooh! Alright, attitude.
Oh, it looks so cute.
Hold on. Alright, attitude. Hang on. Let me get this on you. Dude, chill out. You'll get to go to bed. You've been sleeping all night. Hold on.
Yeah, there's two parts. Oh.
Come here. I'm torturing you, aren't I? Oh my gosh. I can see the view. Does it go down?
Buster, very nice. You have to walk in it, Brandy.
Oh my god.
Oh, he doesn't know how he feels about that.
Look at you.
Come here.
Look. Go ahead.
Oh, he's walking in it.
Oh my gosh. Look at you in your little outfit. Hang on, let Angela get a picture of you and then I'll pick you up.